Over the past decade, India has undergone a transformation that has reshaped its global standing. The Narendra Modi government's focus on self-reliance, innovation, and technological advancement has propelled the nation into the elite echelons of cutting-edge technology and capabilities. India's defense sector has witnessed a paradigm shift, with the nation joining elite clubs through cutting-edge technologies that rival global superpowers. It underscores India's readiness for modern warfare. In a historic breakthrough, recently India successfully conducted trials of a laser-based directed energy weapon system capable of disabling fixed-wing and swarm drones. With this, India has entered an elite group of only 4 nations, alongside the United States, Russia, and China. This year also, India has joined the elite club of nations testing an active cooled scramjet for hypersonic missiles. In the space sector, India also captivated the world with record-breaking missions and pioneering technologies. Recently, India joined the elite group of 4 nations demonstrating satellite docking and undocking technology. In a very significant development, the DRDO in November 2024 test-fired the country's first long-range hypersonic missile that can carry both conventional and nuclear warheads to a distance exceeding. The long-range missile is maneuverable and flies over 5 times the speed of sound. In 2023, ISRO created history by being the first country to land on Moon's South Pole. This made India the 4th country in history to soft land on the Moon after the United States, the Soviet Union, and China. Beyond these sectors, India's ambitions also extended to emerging domains, positioning it as a competitor among global tech leaders. With the announcement of Semicon India, the nation has entered the race to become a semiconductor hub, with investments from global tech giants and partnerships that place India among few nations seriously competing in chip manufacturing. Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.